Hey guys, welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. So, as you can tell, or you might not be able to, this is a voiceover. I absolutely hate voiceovers. So, apologies in advance. Most of this is going to be Chris's music. And I have no idea what I was doing when I wrote that. So, hey guys. Welcome to Tuesday's video. Right, so where was I? Yeah, okay. So last week, managed to get a video done and had this one in reserve. So Saturday, it was Saturday, wasn't it? Yeah, Saturday, Kirk and Nikki from Koenig's Creations had a Craftlix collaboration, movie-based. So even though this isn't in the collaboration, it was done as a backup for that. So there's lots of... This is why I do not like doing voiceovers. There are lots of so's. So. Right. Shut up. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing. I don't think I'm going to be talking you through because I'm completely clueless. I'm doing a painting. And I have no idea what brushes I'm using, how I'm doing it. And yeah, so I've used So again. Apologies. I think what I'm doing at the moment is just trying to find a look that I like. That's super straightforward. I hate doing voiceovers because I feel really stupid doing this. I'm sat in my lovely recliner looking across the room at Chris's computer whilst the video is playing, and yeah. So I think from this point I will just leave you to Chris's music and please enjoy. And I'll catch you for the, is it an unveiling?
The Crafty Rat is here today, slipping through the jaws that play. Salt stings my eyes, it burns my face. This ocean's a game, a deadly race. Swimming with sharks is the way to go. Dodge the teeth, they bite, they glow. You crazy rat, you sly old hack. That benchy boat's not coming back. Fins cut the water like a blade. Blood in the waves, a price unpaid. A shadow looms, a flash of gray. Life's a gamble in this blue ballet. Swimming with sharks is the way to go. Avoid the teeth, they're sharp, they show. Oh, you crazy rat, you sly old hack. That benchy boat's not coming back. The deep end laughs, it pulls me under. No safe harbor, no sky, no thunder. The rat, it grins, it knows the game. Risk and ruin, it's all the same. Swimming with sharks is the way to go. Dodge the teeth, they bite, they glow. You crazy rat, you sly old hack. That benchy boat's not coming back. Black water in my throat tonight. Neon harbor lights twitch like nervous eyes on trial. The crafty rat is here today, gnawing through the moonlit spray. Is that a fin or just a lie? Or a broken plastic god floating by? You said swimming with sharks is the way to go, kid. So I stitched anchors to my ribs and called it faith. Kept my heart beat quiet like a stolen oath. You said ride the dorsal blade or rust on shore. So why does every wave spell nevermore on my chest? Avoid the teeth, you crazy rat. You whispered twice like prayer, like thread. But your shadow dove first and the tide just left. The crafty rat is here today, here today, here today. Swimming with sharks like a bad idea that will not drown. Avoid the teeth, you crazy rat. Avoid the teeth, you crazy rat. That benchy boat's not coming back. No way back. No turning back. No turning back. Rust in the hull, tastes like pennies on my tongue. I talk to barnacles like prophets drunk on diesel. They say the ocean does not care who bleeds. They say the map was forged in someone else's fear. So why am I tracing every scar like a coastline I can never leave? Did you hear the hull scream when the pressure kissed it? Did you feel the keel twitch like a dying joke? Small plastic cock swallowed by a board blue throat. That benchy boat's not coming back, you know. Just bubbles, just giggles from the dark below. Down in the depths where the shadows play, the crafty rat's got games to sway. Swimming with sharks, no fear, no delay. Avoid the teeth, you crazy rat. The benchy boat's gone, it ain't coming back. Oh, the ocean laughs, the tide attacks. Avoid the teeth, you crazy rat. The fins are slicing through the blue. They circle wide, they're coming for you, but you're a trickster, slipping through.
Right, so done the painting, as you've seen. I'm now almost ready to unravel it. So Chris, you going to help?
I'm beyond help.
I think we're going to need a bigger boat. Right, so this is my video. I think we can buy cup. The cup's just disappeared. So this has been done bizarrely super quick. It was Kaz's idea, thank you Kaz, to maybe do a painting on a mug. So I've done that, and I went with Chris's idea, and I've even added on Chris's sarcasm. Right, so I think that's pretty... Sorry for the wobbly phone, I'm kind of holding this. That's pretty much it for this video. Please like and comment below, that would be much appreciated. Below is, because I normally do resin videos, I do have links to a lot of the resin products that I use. I also have some discount codes. I also have a link to my Amazon wishlist and buy me a coffee, so please go and check them out if you want to. Right, so I think that's it for this video, and I will catch you for the next one. Bye guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream.